How to create a Bilibili account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create a Bilibili account, it is very simple. Firstly, you need to head over and search for bilibili.tv into your preferred browser. If you have the Bilibili application, you can create your account from the app itself. Now, if you are using the website, at the top right corner, you will see the sign in button. And if you hover around the sign in button, you'll be displayed a new dialog box. Since we are creating a new account, just tap on create an account. Then this will pop up where you can enter your email address, your password. Then you will have to confirm your password and enter the verification code that is sent to your designated email address. Once you have done all of this, just tap on the sign up button. You will also have to click on the box icon to confirm that you have attained the age of 13. If you already have an account, you can just click on login button where you can even log in using a Google, Twitter, or manually from your phone or email just like before, or using the QR code if you have your Bilibili app. If you press on login with Google, all you need to do is just select an account to connect with the Bilibili and your Google account. Once connected, you can easily use the Bilibili account with the designated Google account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.